All right, hello CC Davenport tutors. So we're going to be talking about the oily feathers demonstration / experiment. Your materials are going to be water, container, oil, and I've got 2 different kinds of dishwashing detergent, as well as the powdered that it calls for in the original experiment. We got a measuring cup, spoon, and a stir. And then I read about that you can use the inside of the diapers to see if that works. So you can actually do this experiment 3 or 4 times. So it depends on how much talking time you have. But the rubber band experiment does not take very long at all. So I wanted to make sure that you had enough supplies to do this over again if you need to fill up the half an hour. So first we'll do it exactly like it says in the book. So you're going to use 1 cup of water, and you're going to pour it in your bowl, and then you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of your oil.
Put it in the water.
And then you're going to see what it looks like. Also, make sure you put your lid back on, especially if you're working on the floor. I already spilled my entire cup of coffee this morning. So, you'll see oily dots floating on the top of the surface. The oil is going to spread out in large circles. And then you're going to sprinkle 2 teaspoons. And you'll want to make sure you bring your paper towels to wipe out your measuring spoon.
And pour a couple of that in.
Oh, really? And I'm going to have this in little containers for you to make it more easily accessible. And so you're going to have 2 teaspoons of the powdered dishwashing detergent. And you're going to sprinkle that over the surface. All right. When the soap was added, some of the oil sank, and the rest broke up into tiny bubbles that covered the surface. So you can already see the oil at the bottom, and you can see how it attracted it. And so then you can ask the kids, well, what would happen if we added some more? Will the oil disappear completely? What will happen? And then I'm just going to leave it like this so you can see how the bubbles are smaller of oil. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we're going to see what happens with the insert of the diaper. And I don't know what will happen with the liquid.
Well, I don't need diapers anymore.
No, you don't.
When I was with a baby, I need diapers.
So I just cut a little square of the diaper, literally right out of the middle of the diaper. And then we'll put that in our water and see what happens if it attracts the oil more than the water. Ooh, you can see that it's starting to fall apart in there. And we have enough supplies where the kids can do, ooh, that's kind of cool. But I read that they actually do use this for,
What the kids gonna do?
yeah, the kids are gonna try this. Ooh, and you can see that, ooh, that's cool.
Can I feel
Look
it?
at that. The dishwashing detergent made like a little piece of ice when it combined with the oil.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
Can I try?
So you're just testing to see different ways of cleaning up oil spills and how that all works. So you'll have a lot of opportunities to try different things. That feels gross. And there's still a lot of oil, but a whole lot less once we added the diaper stuff in there. I don't remember the official name of that, but you can see that actually does work really well. So That got rid of almost all the. That got rid of almost all the oil.
Maybe I need staples.